Hi, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to Sabby's Delics. Today we are baking a classic soft gooey chocolate chip cookie that melt in your mouth. This is my favorite cookie. These cookies are golden on the outside, gooey in the center, and loaded with rich chocolate chip and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're a beginner or a baking pro, you are going to love how easy and delicious this recipe is. Let's get started. In a large bowl, let's cream together the margarine or butter if you have, and sugar. The margarine is on room temperature. I've just added some brown sugar and white sugar. Using a spatula, cream it together. You can use a stand mixer or and mixer for an easy work. I just want to use spatula for a simple recipe for those who do not have a hand mixer. They know they can as well use a spatula, wooden spatula, or a silicone one. After creaming it until it's light, crack in one large room temperature egg and cream it until it's light, pale, and fluffy. Full measurements are listed below in the description box. Oops, just clicked on my mind. I've not added the vanilla essence. Good, I've just remembered it on time. That's a dash of vanilla essence, about half teaspoon. Give it a mix, combine well. At this point, my wet ingredient is done. Put aside and let's go to the dry ingredient. In another bowl, I have here my all-purpose flour already sifted and adding in some cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Using a whisk or just your hand, mix all the dry ingredients together and ensure it's nicely combined. Gradually add in your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Slowly mix it until it's nicely combined. If you like your cookies soft and gooey, add some cornstarch. This is a secret most bakers will not tell you. It will hold your cookies together, it will not spread a lot, and the center will be so soft for days, the gooey gooey, just like a bakery style cookie. But if you like your cookies chewy and not so soft at the center, you should not add the cornstarch. And if you want a soft cookies, do not overmix your dough. That will give you a tough cookie, and we don't want that. We want soft cookies. Just mix until almost combined. Don't forget, we are still going to mix it with some chocolate chips. Obviously, we are making chocolate cookies. We need some chocolate chip. Now for the best part, fold in those chocolate chips. Be generous. This is what makes every bite so irresistible. Guys, thanks for tuning in. For my new subscribers and my returning subscribers, feel appreciated. And if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel much welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this. Press the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Once done, use ice cream scooper or anything you can use to give you an equal size. This way the cookies will bake at the same time and evenly. Scoop out your dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, spacing them out nicely. You can finish up with some chocolate chip cookie, just place them on top of the cookie to give it a beautiful chocolate chip cookie look. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden but the center still soft and look undercooked. And just like that, fresh out of the oven, warm, soft, and gooey chocolate chips cookies that are impossible to resist. Let them sit on the baking tray for a few minutes as they cool down. My chocolate cookie are well done. This is how I like them. As you can see, it has not spread so much. Outer part looks yummy and the inside is so soft. Thanks for keeping it right here, my lovely ones. This recipe is so simple as you can see. I hope you give it a try, and if you try it, don't forget to bring back your feedback. I would like to know how you stand out. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed and you like this kind of content, consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this, and I hope to see you in my next one. Happy baking!